In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S24, and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of this Samsung. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down just a bit to access themes. Then click on themes at the bottom left corner. And over here tap on the best one for you. You can also select one of those categories or one of those options. If you want to, you can even click on the search bar and type in wherever you want to. After finding the perfect theme and clicking on it, hit download at the bottom and then select apply. So when I do that, as you can see, theme of my device has changed. If you want to go back to your default one, you can always do that by accessing the same settings. But this time, click after clicking on theme section. Selecting menu at the bottom right corner. Now tap on My Stuff at the top on the left. Click Themes. If they are not already on, select the default and pick Apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!